Good morning, my little ones.
Good morning, Mama!
Listen to me carefully. A sneaky fox lives near our forest.
We are not scared, Mama. We will be very careful, Mama.
I must go to the bamboo market now.
Can we come, Mama?
No. Stay home. Play in the yard only.
We will stay home, Mama. Do not worry.
I will return soon. Do not open the door for anyone.
Okay, Mama. Bye, Mama.
She is gone! Let us play!
Yes, let us play.
Watch this kick, May! Wow, so high, Bow!
I will get it! Do not go past the fence, Bow! I got it! I stayed inside!
The cubs are alone.
I am hungry, Shadow. When do we eat?
Shh! Be quiet, Rocky! Those fat little pandas are our dinner! Oh, pandas. I like pandas. And look what I found. A magic rope. It can catch anything.
Whoa, that is shimmy.
I need a good trick. How do I get them to open the gate? Knock on the door? Yes, but I need a disguise!
I will use this leaf.
That is a leaf, Rocky. That is just a leaf.
It is a good leaf.
Watch and learn, Rocky. Watch and learn. Hello, little pandas. I am your neighbor. I brought bamboo shoots.
Ooh, Bow, come here. Look at this.
Who is that?
Mama said open for nobody. That is not our neighbor.
Look at those green eyes. And that tail.
That is the fox. Do not make a sound.
Hello, little pandas? Come out and play.
Stay down. Stay quiet. May, I have a plan.
What plan? If he comes in, we drop this on his head.
That is actually a good plan, Bow.
Open this gate right now.
Enough! Come out, little pandas! Found you, little ones!
May, Bow, the pot!
Stop laughing, Rocky! Help me catch them!
Sorry, catching pandas, right?
May, run faster!
This way, Bow, through the bamboo!
You cannot hide. Take this! Ah, my leg! May, help!
Bow! Ah!
Got you, little panda!
I will save you, Bow! I will think! I will find a way!
Ow, my nose! My beautiful nose! My nose! May! You did it! You saved me!
No time! Run, Bow! Run now! Fast!
Get them, Rocky! No! I am trying! I am running!
He is coming, May! He is so slow!
Do not look back! Keep running!
My babies will love these shoots. Almost home now. Wait, what is that sound? My babies! I am here! What happened?
The fox, Mama! The sneaky fox!
Your fight badge!
Oh no. I am coming, Shadow! I am almost fast! Oh, that is the mama.
How dare you touch my babies!
Now, Big Panda, let us talk about this.
Oh, we will talk.
Run! I am already running!
Go away, Fox! Bye-bye, Bear! Are you hurt, my babies? Let Mama look at you.
My ankle hurts a little, Mama. I am sorry, Mama. We went past the yard.
You are safe. That is what matters most.
May saved me, Mama. She bent the big bamboo.
Hee hee, what a lovely day!
Yay! So much fun!
All right, my little ones.
Now, tell Mama everything, from the beginning.
First dropped the pot on his head. Clang! Like this! It was so loud.
You should not have gone past the yard. Also, a pot on his head?
What's funny?
But my babies, listen. When I say stay in the
Yes,
yard...
land again, Mama. Without you.
Good, because if something happened to you, nothing will happen, Mama. We have you. And I have you, my whole heart, both of you. Now, dinner is ready, my little ones. Eat slowly, my babies. Chew properly.
This is so good, Mama.
The best soup ever, Mama. You are the best cook.
Mama, we love you.
So much, Mama. I love you more than all the bamboo, more than all the stars.